This is part 3 and we're talking about what everybody wants to know. How much money will I lose if I sell my hoarder house as is? And let's break it down. First, it's not always losing money. If you inherited the house, technically anything you make is profit. But if you're looking to maximize what you walk away with, selling a hoarder house as is without cleaning it out will almost always bring in less money than it could. In our expertise at Kansas City Legacy Properties, that difference is often $20,000 to $40,000 on a modest house, $50,000 to $100,000 on a higher end home. Why does it drop so much? And the answer is because buyers can't see the house. If there's trash everywhere, they assume the plumbing doesn't work, the wiring's bad, there's mold, or worse. So instead of offering $200,000, they offer $140,000 to protect themselves. Even investors hedge their risks. They don't offer full market value, and wholesalers, they flip your contract to make $20,000 off the deal, money that should have gone to you. Clean out equals more control. When you clean out the house, you can list it on the market, you can attract first-time buyers, you can price it competitively, you can walk away with significantly more equity. Even if you don't make repairs, just being able to see the house clearly builds trust. We'll help you compare those two numbers and we'll show you our cash offer, the listing price, and what to expect either option. Click the link for our free guide, Clean It, Sell It, Skip It. How to decide the best way to handle a hoarder house situation. Let's make sure your equity stays with your family.